Good morning, children. Let's begin our next topic, adaptations in aquatic habitat. Life existing in aquatic habitats is very different from that in terrestrial habitat. Let us discuss about aquatic plants. The plants which are present in aquatic habitats, they are called aquatic plants. Roots of aquatic plants are either absent or very poorly developed. This is because water is easily available to them. Stems of aquatic plants are long, slender, weak and spongy. The leaves are covered with wax to avoid decay due to long exposure to water. Plants like water hyacinth, cattails, lotus and water lily float on water. They have air cavities in their stems and leaves. The leaves are large and circular to help the plant float. Stomata are present on the upper surfaces of the leaves. Plants like Vallisneria and hornwort are submerged rooted plants. They have soft stems and long, narrow leaves to bear the water currents. Duckweed is freely floating as the entire plant floats on water. Now, let us discuss about aquatic animals. Fishes are major aquatic animals. They have the following adaptive features. Number 1. Their body is streamlined in shape. This feature helps to reduce resistance while swimming in water. Fins and tail help to swim and maintain balance in water. They have gills to breathe in water. Body is covered with scales which make it waterproof, and the air bladder helps them to float in water. Some aquatic animals do not have a streamlined body. They find it difficult to swim. Octopus and squids are some examples. They catch prey moves towards them. They have gills for breathing. They are found in the bottom dark zone of the ocean. Mammals like dolphins and whales do not have gills to breathe in water. They have lungs. They breathe through the blowholes present on the upper parts of their head. These animals come to the water surface from time to time to take oxygen from the air. Ducks have webbed feet to swim in water. Frogs breathe with lungs while on land and with moist skin while in water. They have webbed feet for swimming in water and strong hind legs for jumping on land. Thank you.